Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. With Mother's Day just around the corner, I have an easy last-minute gift idea for you. Today, I'll be showing you how to make these fillable letter boxes. For this project, I will be using the SVG file that I designed. If you're interested in creating this yourself, I will include a link to purchase the file in the description box of this video. After downloading the file, I opened a new canvas on Cricut Design Space and uploaded the SVG by dragging and dropping it into the box. It should appear grouped together. Go ahead and click the Ungroup button on the layer side panel to separate all the elements, including those for the letter O. To make it easier for you to identify which pieces belong to each letter, I color-coded the pieces for the letters. In this project, we will be creating 2 letter M's and 1 letter O to spell out mom. Feel free to change the colors if you prefer, but I will keep them as they are since I will be using the same material for all the mats, so it really won't matter to me. Zoom in on a letter. When you click the drop-down menu, you will see 2 layers. The first layer is the basic shape, and the second layer contains the lines, which we will change the operation to score. All the elements will have this operation changed except for the base of the letter O. To save time, I highlighted the elements of the letter M that we just worked on and duplicated them so I wouldn't have to redo that step. Lastly, highlight each of the grouped elements and click Attach on the bottom right. This will keep your layers in the same relative position on the cutting mat as they are on your canvas. And don't forget to save your project. I'm leaving the size as is, but if you would like to make the letter boxes larger, simply highlight all the elements and adjust the size. Just make sure that the dimensions are compatible with the cutting machine you are using. Once you're ready to cut, click the green Make button. I will be using 12 by 24 inch cutting mats. You will notice that all the grouped elements should be organized exactly as we attach them. I set the base material to poster board and adjusted the pressure to more. Then edit the tools to match the type of scoring tool you will be using. I'm changing mine to the scoring Stylus. Make sure to load the fine point blade into clamp B and the scoring Stylus into clamp A. Ensure both tools click into place. Here's a tip, I'm using poster board sheets I got at the craft store for only 99 cents each. I cut them down to size to fit on my cutting mats. This option was much more affordable than buying 12 by 24 inch cardstock, and it's much sturdier. I also thought the pink glitter was perfect for this project, but you may use the cardstock of your choice. Insert the mat into your cutting machine and press the play button. The machine will score first and then proceed to cut with the fine point blade. Once it's finished cutting, gently lift all the pieces off the mats. Be sure to keep your pieces organized. To assemble the letter M, you will need 4 elements. First, use the scored lines to fold all of the tabs and edges. You can use a scraper or any sharp edge tool to speed up this process. Since I'm using 2-sided poster board, I want the glitter side to be on the inside of the box, while the white side will be visible on the outside. If you're using a material with the same color on both sides, simply follow the same instructions, just ensure that the folds are made inward. You should have 3 side panel strips, one of which is shorter than the other 2. Start by folding the shorter strip and placing it over the top edge of the base to ensure it fits before gluing it down. Apply hot glue to the tabs and attach the side strips to the base following the shape of the letter. Make sure the glue tabs face inward, hidden from view. Work slowly around each edge, holding it in place for a few seconds until the glue sets. This step is like putting a puzzle together, and it's quite straightforward since most of the panel strips are already attached to the base layer. I'm using hot glue because I'm working with poster board, but if you're using regular 65 to 80 pound cardstock, craft glue would work great. In just a few minutes, you will have your letterbox assembled. For the letter O, you will have 5 pieces in total. Start by gluing the short side panels to the center of the letter. Then attach the longer side panels to the outer edges. I repeated the same process with the second letter M. Here's what they look like after assembling all 3 letters. I added shredded paper and filled them up with a variety of goodies. You can display these letters on a base or even place them in a box if you prefer gifting them that way. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time with a new DIY.